Welcome once again to Stories by Famous Writers, our English lesson, and this is lesson 3. In this lesson, we shall be talking about the language in the Hodgeheg as used by Dickie Smith. Reference in the Cambridge English Learners Book 2 is below. We shall be looking at the suffix "ly" and the joining words used. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to show awareness of the suffix ly or "ly" and add it to words. Learners also should be able to write well-constructed sentences beginning with a capital letter and ending with full stop. And also, learners should be able to choose the best word to join a pair of sentences. The suffix "ly". Let's read the following sentences. Max was wobbling dazedly along the pavement. His head ached badly. He responded slowly and wearily to his parents' questions. Let's look at the 4 words highlighted in red. Dazedly, badly, slowly, wearily. These are all words with the suffix "ly" gathered from the story. What then is a suffix? A suffix is a group of letters that we add to the end of a word. Suffixes can change the way that we use the word in a sentence. The suffix "ly" or "ly" can be added to some words to tell us more about how or when an action was done. Example: Max was slow. This "slow" refers to Max. But Max walked slowly. This does not refer to Max, but refers to how Max walked. The action was done slowly. Or we can say, Max was walking slowly. Now let's go on. A word of caution. Be careful with ly words. Note that not all ly endings are suffixes. To check, take away the ly. See if there is still a word after the ly is taken away. If yes, then there's a suffix. Example: slowly without the ly is slow, so the ly in slowly is a suffix. If not, then there is no suffix. Example: family. Without the ly is family. It is not a word, so ly in family is not a suffix. Look at these 2 words, safely and reply. Which one is a suffix and which one is not? Safely, when you take out the ly, is safe, and so it has a suffix. Reply, when you take out the ly, is rep, and it's not a word. Let's look at joining words then. We can join sentences together using words like and, but, so, or, and because. The longer sentence, like shorter ones, must also begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Here are 2 examples. 1. Max had a headache. Everyone was asking him questions. So, we have 2 sentences, and let's see how we join them. Max had a headache, but everyone was asking him questions. The second sentence: his mom was worried he came home late. His mom was worried because he came home late. Here are some tips in using joining words. And we played some football and we ate some ice cream too. In this sentence, the first part before the joining word and is not directly related to the second part. It is just a report of a series of actions, things that have taken place after another. But when we use but, our expectations from the first part of the sentence has either been the opposite or something else. So Nicole had a headache, but she came first in the race. We go to the next one, so. We use so when the first part of the sentence shows its results in the second part of the sentence. All children must eat good food. So, which means the result will be they will grow healthy and strong. The next one is or. We use or when we have options or when we have choices of this way, that way. You can read a book or play chess with me. The next part is because. Max did not get hurt badly because he rolled into a ball. When we see because, we are saying that the first part that has been said is the result or is coming because or is happening with the reason given in the second part.